everyone, welcome back to Garden Decor Designs, the channel dedicated to helping you create the garden of your dreams. Before we start, we want to ask your support to make this channel grow with subscribe to this channel, leave comment, hit the like button or share this video to your friends and family. Today we're stepping into a world of timeless charm and classic beauty. We're talking about the iconic picket fence garden. It's more than just a barrier. It's a canvas for creating a truly magical outdoor space. So what exactly is a picket fence garden? At its heart, it's a style of gardening that integrates a classic picket fence as a key design element. A picket fence is a type of fence made from vertical boards, or pickets, attached to horizontal rails. The pickets are often spaced apart, and the tops can be pointed, rounded, or decorative. A picket fence garden uses this structure to its advantage, planting flowers and foliage that grow up, through, and along the fence, blurring the lines between the garden and its surroundings. It creates a seamless, picturesque look that feels straight out of a storybook. It's a quintessential part of the American landscape, evoking a sense of home, nostalgia, and bucolic bliss. Beyond its aesthetic appeal, a picket fence garden offers a wealth of practical benefits. First and foremost, it defines your space. It clearly marks your property line while maintaining an open, welcoming feel, unlike a solid privacy fence. This creates a sense of enclosure for your garden, making it feel like a separate, cozy sanctuary. This clear boundary also helps protect your plants from casual foot traffic or small animals, providing a gentle barrier without completely obstructing the view. Additionally, a picket fence acts as a fantastic structural support for climbing and vining plants, allowing you to incorporate vertical growth into your garden design. It can also serve as a backdrop that highlights the colors and textures of your plants, making them pop against the classic white or painted wood. Ultimately, a picket fence garden enhances your home's curb appeal, adding significant value and character to your property. Now for the fun part, decorating. The beauty of a picket fence garden is its versatility. Start by choosing a color for your fence. While classic white is the most popular and timeless choice, a black or dark-colored fence can make bright flowers stand out dramatically. Next, think about the plants. Don't just plant in front of the fence. Integrate them. Let climbing roses, morning glories, or clematis weave their way through the pickets and over the top, creating a living archway. Plant low-growing flowers like pansies, petunias, or marigolds at the base to soften the look and fill in the gaps. You can also hang planters or baskets from the fence posts to add another layer of visual interest, like in the stunning examples we'll show you. Don't be afraid to mix heights and textures. Use taller perennials like delphiniums or foxgloves behind the fence to create a lush, layered backdrop. The goal is to create a dynamic, evolving landscape that changes with the seasons. Wondering what to plant? Here are some of the best choices for your picket fence garden. First, climbing roses, a quintessential choice for a romantic cottage garden feel. Their lush blooms and fragrant scents are simply unbeatable. Second, morning glories. These fast-growing annuals will quickly cover your fence with beautiful trumpet-shaped flowers. Third, hydrangeas. With their large, showy blooms, hydrangeas create a stunning, voluminous backdrop behind a fence. Fourth, petunias. Perfect for hanging baskets or planting at the base of the fence. Their vibrant colors and long blooming season make them a favorite. Fifth, lavender. The soft purple spikes and heavenly fragrance of lavender are a perfect match for the classic picket fence aesthetic. Sixth, delphiniums. These tall, spiky flowers add dramatic height and a vertical element to your garden design. Seventh, clematis. A classic vining plant with large, beautiful flowers that are perfect for weaving through the pickets. Eighth, dahlias. Known for their incredible variety of shapes, sizes, and colors, dahlias can create a spectacular display along the fence line. Ninth, black-eyed Susans. These cheerful yellow flowers are easy to grow and provide a burst of sunny color. And now for some inspiration. Let's look at 10 stunning examples of picket fence gardens that are sure to spark your creativity. 1. The modern picket fence, a chic urban vibe. A departure from the classic white, this black picket fence offers a sleek, modern, and sophisticated aesthetic. The dark color provides a striking contrast to the lush green foliage and bright red flowers. This design is perfect for a more contemporary home or a smaller urban space, proving that the picket fence concept can be adapted to any style. 2. The welcoming gateway, Cream-colored picket fence. This garden features a lovely cream-colored picket fence and gate, which complements the warm tones of the house in the background. The fence is lined with a colorful array of wildflowers and perennials, including striking red and purple lupins. The fence and gate create a gentle boundary that feels incredibly inviting and friendly. 3. The enchanted garden archway. This image captures a serene, whimsical feeling. The white picket fence with its matching archway serves as a beautiful entry point to a hidden part of the garden. The fence is surrounded by a mix of wildflowers and lush greenery, creating a sense of natural, untamed beauty. This design is perfect for creating a secluded, magical retreat in your own backyard. 4. The productive picket garden. Combining form and function. This image beautifully illustrates a multi-purpose garden. The classic white picket fence encloses a neat and tidy raised bed, providing a perfect spot for both flowers and perhaps even vegetables or herbs. The honey for sale sign and the small greenhouse in the background hint at a truly productive and personal space. This is a great example of how a picket fence can create a charming and functional garden area. 5. The bold and beautiful dahlia display. This stunning image features a classic white picket fence serving as a clean backdrop for a spectacular dahlia garden. The large, showy blooms in deep burgundy, vibrant yellow, and soft pink burst with color above the fence line, while smaller yellow flowers at the base add a charming touch. It perfectly illustrates how a simple fence can be used to showcase a magnificent flower collection. 6. The romantic cottage. Picket fence with climbing roses. This picture-perfect scene is the epitome of a cottage garden. A vibrant yellow house is framed by a pristine white picket fence, from which a magnificent red climbing rose bush cascades. The bold color of the roses creates a dramatic focal point, proving how a simple fence can be the perfect stage for a stunning floral performance. 7. The stately and symmetrical picket fence. This design highlights the clean, classic lines of a picket fence with a formal, symmetrical layout. The fence's sharp white pickets and contrasting dark posts create a crisp, elegant look. The two perfectly manicured topiary shrubs flank the gate, adding a touch of sophistication and balance. This shows that a picket fence can be part of a formal, as well as a more casual garden style. 8. The floral extravaganza. Picket fence as a living canvas. This image is a riot of color and life. The white picket fence is almost completely obscured by a profusion of purple phlox, yellow daylilies, and other vibrant wildflowers. The plants spill over the fence line, creating a soft, natural, and bountiful look. This is a wonderful example of a garden that feels overflowing with beauty and abundance. 9. The storybook entrance. A picket fence and flowering archway. This charming example showcases a perfect blend of structure and nature. The white picket fence frames a lush, green archway covered in morning glories, leading to a stone path and a cozy cottage. The vibrant purple and pink flowers at the base soften the fence line and create a welcoming, enchanting feel. This design demonstrates how a fence can be a gateway to a hidden world of beauty. 10. The hanging garden maximizing vertical space. This innovative approach uses the flat surface of a different kind of fence to its full potential. While not a traditional picket, it still uses verticality to great effect. Beautiful hanging baskets overflowing with pink and white petunias and other flowers are attached to the fence, creating a stunning, high-impact floral display. This is a brilliant idea for adding color and life to a long, otherwise plain fence. A picket fence garden is so much more than just a home decor trend. It's a way to create a space that feels personal, beautiful, and deeply connected to nature. Whether you choose a classic white fence, a bold dark one, or something in between, remember to let your plants be the stars of the show. If you're inspired to start your own picket fence garden, give this video a big thumbs up. Let us know in the comments which of these ideas was your favorite. And don't forget to subscribe to Garden Decor Designs and hit that notification bell so you don't miss our next video. Until then, happy gardening!